Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make an oxygen concentrator. This essential device separates oxygen from the air around us, delivering a concentrated stream for medical or industrial use. Understanding its core principles is key to successful construction. We will delve into the main components and the ingenious process that makes this technology possible, ensuring you grasp the fundamental steps involved in creating your own unit. The heart of an oxygen concentrator lies in its core components. First, an air compressor takes in ambient air, pressurizing it for the separation process. Next, two sieve beds, filled with a special material called zeolite, are crucial for filtering. A sophisticated system of valves then precisely controls the airflow, directing it between these beds. Finally, a product tank collects the purified oxygen, ready for use. The magic happens through pressure swing adsorption, or PSA. In this two-bed system, one sieve bed is pressurized, causing the zeolite to adsorb nitrogen, while oxygen passes through. Simultaneously, the other bed is depressurized, releasing its adsorbed nitrogen back into the atmosphere. This alternating cycle, occurring many times per minute, ensures a continuous flow of oxygen, typically achieving 90 to 95% purity. When constructing an oxygen concentrator, safety and precision are paramount. Always ensure all connections are completely airtight to prevent any leaks, which could compromise efficiency. Using medical-grade components is crucial to guarantee the purity of the oxygen produced. Regular maintenance, including filter changes, will ensure optimal and consistent performance. Remember, proper ventilation is also necessary for safe operation, especially when dealing with pressurized air.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.